it's avenrose, and I know it's been a while since I have uploaded a YouTube video. I guess it was about 2 years ago, or maybe a year ago, but it's been such a long time. I will show you how to do this pink chocolate glam makeup. This is a glam makeup, but it's totally cool if you decide to wear this on a normal day. Yeah, let's get started! I accidentally deleted the footage of me applying foundation, so here am I just pretending to dab all over again. And here, I'm going to apply some concealer around my lips, just a little bit. I already put some concealer around my eyes, and now we're gonna do eyebrows. The eyebrows are different for everybody, but basically I'm just outlining my natural arch and filling it in. And keep going until you're satisfied with it. As you can see, it took me a long time to be satisfied with what I'm doing with my eyebrows. So I'm going to apply some concealer on it to make it more refined and clean looking and much brighter. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter to make it more sparkly. Because come on, who doesn't love highlighters? Okay, now we're going fast. Now for the eyeshadow. So here I picked a golden glittery shadow and just put it all over my lid because I like to start with sparkle, you know. Next, I'm going to pick this white clean base shadow just to make the colors more brighter later. Next, I have this orangey tan color and put it all over my lower lid as if it's eyeliner, but not really, if you get me. Just put it on both sides and make sure it's like a pretty shaded line. Yeah. Corner, I use a cherry bomb shade and just put it out to the corner and mix it in and blend it in. Just make sure it's properly blended in. Then I'm going to use a sponge applicator and put it to my lower lash line, just the outer corners though. I picked a choco brown shade and use it as like blurred eyeliner. Again, but thinner than the last one. Make sure it's like an ombre. And see here, I purposely did that. Kind of a smoky wing, if you know what I mean. Could not help myself with a sparkle, so here I brought out the pink highlighter I have and dabbed it all over my lid just to make it more sparkly and glittery and more dramatic in some way. And I put on some concealer under my eyes just to make it brighter because I noticed my dark circles up front in the camera. I kinda messed up here. Blend it all over with your fingers, and the one I put under my eye was too much for just under my eye, so I proceeded to spread it all over my face, as you can see right here. So now I put some lip balm just to make my lips extra soft before I put on some lipstick.
here I decided to contour my nose a bit and just make it look like it's real. Of course, highlighter again. So I highlight my nose and basically every part of my face that needs to be highlighted. My lips are ready. Now here I have two Peri Para Velvet Ink lipsticks. I used the lighter rosy shade one for the base and used the red one in the inner of my lips to make it like a gradient and just spread it. You can leave the lips pretty as is, but I like to go the extra mile and put on some Galactic lip gloss. Done! Then I gotta apply some setting spray to make sure the makeup won't budge. And just dry it a bit before I apply some powder. I don't put powder all over my face. I just put on to places that aren't supposed to be glossy. And there we have it, folks. I think I'm done. So I dressed up and put on some cute earrings and a pretty clip to the side of my hair.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Maybe probably soon I will make some more type of videos like this. Give this a like if you want more content like this, or comment down below to give me suggestions that on what you want to see on my channel. I can always do those skits with those like storylines, and if you like some comedy too, I'll be up to do it if someone is more than willing to watch me. So yeah, bye!
Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.